Yeah, so the valves are bent. I turn it. When I turn it, the two on this side they pop, and the same thing with the ones on that side. And on this side, there was a bunch of little pieces from the valve seat. I guess that's what happened. The valve seat broke or cracked or whatever, and the pieces from it fell inside, and it started fucking crunching them up, and then it just circulated throughout the motor. And there was the same thing on that cylinder over there. So the heads definitely have to come out, and then there's gonna be valves that need to be replaced. So you know what I mean, they're gonna have to redo the heads completely regardless. I mean, the other valves they'll reuse, they'll just recondition them and everything, and machine everything to proper specs. But the ones that are that drop the seats, those are gonna have to be replaced because most likely they're bent. And then once I take the heads off tomorrow, I should have the cylinder heads off of the block. I'll be able to see if the pistons are salvageable, because if not, then at that point, then we would probably be considering another engine instead of rebuilding this one, because then it's going to be a lot more money than what it is to just get another one. So yeah, I've been trying to contact you, and I know you're busy, but just give me a call, so that way I can let you know exactly everything that's going on, and then you know what I mean. That way you can let me know exactly what you want to do, because if I'm not doing anything to it, I'm gonna have to push it outside, so that way I can I can have space for the jobs that I am doing. So call me back and let me know exactly what we're doing.